Check out these two brand new XGT 80 volt max brushless rotary hammer and demolition hammer drills from Makita. Both these tools are made in Japan with brushless motors powered by two 40 volt max XGT batteries. And they're absolutely beastly. In fact, when you side by side this new rotary hammer with Makita's largest corded rotary hammer, it absolutely leaves it in its weight, drilling through the entire test slab in 30% less time. This new rotary hammer produces 21.4 joules of impact energy and it hammers away at up to 2,250 impacts per minute, just eating up the concrete, as you can see here with this 50mm SDS max bit. And with Makita's anti-vibration technology, or AVT, you don't feel that massive vibration up through the grip into your hands and arms. In fact, most of the time, I just let it work under its own weight. And it's got kickback protection too, so you're not going to rip your arms off. You'll see it kicks in briefly just here as I'm twisting the drill while I'm drilling. Up on top, you switch the modes via the dial from rotary hammering to just chiseling, and it's also got a clutch mode so you can reorient your chisel. If you're only breaking and chiseling and you don't need the drill function, check out the 80 volt max demolition hammer. It's got slightly less impact energy at just 20.9 joules, but it still packs quite a wallop. It maxes out at 1,900 impacts per minute, and it also features AVT, the anti-vibration technology, so even though it's a big hammer, it's nice to use. And being just a hammer, it doesn't have the mode dial up on top, so to reorient your chisel, just pull forward on that teal ring at the collar. And both drills come standard with AWS, making them compatible with Makita's AWS extractors. These are cordless tools that truly surpass their corded equivalents with no leads. You can take them anywhere on site and there's no tagging either. There's also a large range, ever expanding on the XGT platform, so make sure you check out the full range in store or online, sydneytools.com.au. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to hit me up in that comment section down below. And until next time, I'm Tim. Thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.